In this tutorial, we will learn how to add a form to Google Classroom, whether it's an announcement in Google Classroom, an assignment, or just as material. The process is actually the same. So open up your Google Classroom and click on the class for which you would like to add the form. Once you have opened that, if you want to do it simply as an announcement, you can actually do it right here where it says share something with your class. But remember, announcements in the stream cannot be organized. So I'm going to move over to classwork. In classwork, go ahead and click on the create button. And for the purposes of this one, we'll do an assignment. Give your assignment a title and then add any instructions that you would like. I have indicated in the instructions that students will find the form in the link that I'm going to add. So at this point, I'm going to click on the add button. When I do that, I'm actually going to have to get the link to my form. I cannot add from Google Drive. Remember that to get a link from a form, you do not take the link at the top of the page. Instead, you hit send, then choose the chain link icon, and then copy the link. Go back to Google Classroom at this point. Where it says link, just paste your link and then hit add link. You will see a preview on the bottom that tells you that you have added the form. Notice that you can opt to have this form appear to more than one class. However, if you do that, you will not have the option to schedule this to appear at a later date. So that is something to keep in mind when deciding if you want to post something to multiple classes. Also notice that all assignments in Google Classroom are automatically worth 100 points, so you can change that point value or choose ungraded. Give it a due date if you want. I recommend using topics because it is your only organizational feature in Google Forms. And if their responses on the form will be associated with a rubric, you could add a rubric here for your learners. Originality reports will not work with Google Forms. So again, once you're ready, you can assign it now, schedule it for later, save the draft, or in my case, I'm going to discard the draft because we're not actually going to post the form to this class. One last quick note about Google Forms. The results to the forms will not appear in the gradebook in Google Classroom. In order to see your students' responses, you will have to go back to the form itself and click on the Responses tab.